To improve your overall battery lifetime on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open our settings and then navigate to the battery. From here we can scroll down looking for the battery protection options. If we enter that, we can activate such an option, and then below you can adjust those settings. So the best thing to do is put your battery limit to 80%. So what it will do is put a limit of charging on your battery. That means you won't be able to charge your phone to 100%. You can switch between 80%, 85%, 90%, or 95%. And the best option is to use 80%, which will prolong your battery overall life. You can always check your battery statistics when you go down in that information, and then there's a battery information, and you can check your battery capacity, how it looks like. For me, it's 4000 mAh, which is typical, but you can check it here anytime. And that is basically everything.